Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadisiac. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Okay guys, so today I have an exciting video. We are going to be moving on to the second episode or video for my series, AK's latest obsessions. So I know in the original video I said that this was going to be a series where I'm just chill and we're just gonna talk about my favorite things, and we're still doing that, but today's video is actually going to be in partnership with a brand, but they're not new to my channel because I've actually shown you guys their product before and I love it, and they sent me a new product, the same type of product but also different, and I have really been obsessed with it. So before I show you guys the actual perfume and everything, let me just give you some background information on Dossier and why this brand is really cool. So Dossier, they specialize in perfumes, and more specifically affordable perfumes that are inspired by high-end fragrances. So basically what that means is if you saw a Chanel perfume, right, that was really nice, you loved how it smelled, but it was too expensive, pretty much Dossier is gonna have a replica of that for way cheaper. What's also great about Dossier is that with every fragrance that you purchase, you will get a little, it's not even this big, it's a little sample, a spray that you can try out. Okay, now if you don't like it, then that's fine, you can just send it back and you will get a refund. So pretty much you're not losing anything. If you don't like it, you can send it back, and if you do love it, then you have the sample that you can take with you when you're going out, and you also get the full size that you can of course leave at home and put on your vanity. And I'm so excited to show you guys the packaging, because even though the packaging is the same for each fragrance, the only thing that's really different is the color of the fragrances, which I just noticed today. But the packaging is really nice. It's simple, minimalist, and I think it will look really nice on a vanity. So we're gonna jump right in. It's just one fragrance that I'm gonna show you guys, but I also do have two others from Dossier that I received the last time that I partnered with them. Like I said, they're not new to my channel. I showed you guys their fragrances before and briefly mentioned them in a video, but we're really gonna focus on this new one because I've just been obsessed with this particular one. So here's the packaging. We have this cardboard box that says Dossier, and then when you open it, it says the fair alternative to luxury perfumes. They're made in France, risk-free order, they are vegan and cruelty-free, and they have clean ingredients. Those are actually some details that I didn't mention a few seconds ago, so I'm glad that that's actually on the box because it just lets you know a bit more about the brand. Here's the actual little spray I was telling you guys about. So the scent that I have is called Aquatic Peony. I'm on Sephora's website and it retails for $58. That's what the original looks like. And I mean, $58, I don't think that's super expensive or super bad for a fragrance. But if you can find it for $29 and it smells basically the same, why not just go with that one? So now we're gonna get into the notes. The top notes are mint, blackcurrant, lemon, aquatic accord. The middle notes are peony, jasmine, and pink pepper. And the base notes are cedarwood and labdanum. And then also they have a note, it just says thank you. We have made it our mission to deliver only the best quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair and transparent price and allow you to explore new scents. And that's really what Dossier is about. Now we're gonna actually get into the perfume. I know it's taken all this time, so here it is, you guys. This is what the bottle looks like. So okay, I'm gonna smell it even though I've already smelled it and worn it before. You guys. So now I'm getting ready to actually spray the fragrance onto my skin, and I wanted to read you all the description that's on Dossier's website for the fragrance. It says, Aquatic Peony's opening sparkles with marine notes, a touch of citrus, and a hint of fruitiness. Slowly as the romantic peony and airy jasmine make their presence known, the scent closes with an unmatched freshness that will keep you on your toes.
So this is pretty much the perfect description of this scent. It definitely has a beach vibe to it because it has those marine notes. So this would be a great summer fragrance. But I also feel like this would make a great perfume to wear for the holidays. It's not your typical holiday scent, but as they described it, it does have some hints of fruitiness. But overall, the combination of notes really make this an interesting fragrance and very versatile as well. So I definitely love this scent. It has a very unique, unusual, but very nice smell.
So those are my thoughts on Dossier's Aquatic Peony. This is one of their new fragrances. I'm pretty much obsessed, and I think that these would make like the perfect gift, especially if you have a loved one or a friend who loves perfumes. They're gonna love these fragrances. So I'm still enjoying the Oriental one and the fresh floral too. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope that it was helpful. If you're interested, then definitely check out Dossier. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, feel free to share this video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.